Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Z Graphics and Multimedia, and in this video guys I'm going to show you how to create a simple text effect using your CorelDRAW. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to go to your toolbar and select your type tools. So when you select your type tools, and then you can make a type. Okay, so with that you can make it bold. Then you can come to the top here and change the font size to 100%. Then you can press P to centralize. Then we can make the text more bold. Shift key and drag to make it more bold and stuff like this. Then shift key and drag again. Okay, Control P to center. Then we can easily work on this particular one right here. Now, first thing first, we have to make sure the text is selected. So when you select the text, you have to come to the color palette right here. Click on here. When you click on that, it takes out all the fill color. Then you come to the black color here, right click on that. Then when you right click on the black color, you're going to have a stroke part like this. So when you have something like this, the next step you have to take is to select your pen tools and make a straight line curve. When you make a straight line curve, you have to take it to the exact area you want it to be. So I'm thinking to having it this way. Now, the next step you have to take here is to go to your toolbar again and look for Smart Fit tools. Okay. But before that, let me quickly make sure this stroke here is just hairline. So make it hairline, things like that. Then we have to come back to Smart Fill now. So when you select your Smart Fill, you have to fill the top, fill the top, fill the top, and then this and this. Okay, then we can fill the bottom also in the same way. Okay, so we can press Shift key and select this, Shift key and select this, Shift key and select this. Then we can come to the Home tab right here and make sure we choose Word. Okay, Word. It's become one object. Then we can change the color to another color. Okay, so we can come back to the top text, select this, Shift key and 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 select this. Then we can go back to our menu bar here and make sure we Word. So with that, we can come here and click on the center of the text to bring out the rotation node. Then we can come to the bottom here and slide the text. The sliding based on how you want your text to look like. Okay, then we can easily fall back to the second one right here and then click on the center point of the text and make sure we snap it to the top text like this. Okay, so we have it this way. So the next thing we're going to do now is to make sure we delete this. Okay. Then with that, we can change the color to red. And then we can select the top color now and change the color also. So we can easily click and hold down and choose dark red. Click and hold down. Choose this type of dark red. Okay, then we can easily fall back to the background, which is the original text. So we can fill it with black color. Then we can come here, right click on this to remove the stroke. So with that, we can easily select all, Ctrl J to group, then P to centralize, then Ctrl minus to zoom in, and we have a very powerful text effect in a simple way using your CorelDRAW. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.